lot of people wondering how real all of this stuff actually is. Let me tell you, it's 5:06 in the afternoon, August the 1st, 91 degrees outside. I just came across this property. I've got my gas mask just in case. Come check it out with me. That's the problem, is the trash can got full. There's your kitchen sink right there. Dishes didn't get done. Do not open that fridge. This is the main family room area. Big hole in the roof. There are no princesses living in this castle. Wow. I think I found a piece of trash that describes this entire house. It's right here. This house is properly aged. Right there, that's a rotting, dead cat. Oh wow, look at that. It's just saturated in poo. It's fine here. Oh yeah, it just separates the room. You ever need to separate a room, just throw a mattress up? Get a little workout set. These people were really into their health and fitness. That's some good read right there. The Stephen Donaldsons are some of my favorites. It's 5:28. Been here for about 23 minutes. Tomorrow, we get to work.
We got a dead cat and 38 grand out of this deal.
Watch the dead cat on the way out.